What's going on, everybody? It is Ice here, bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the best Fin chainsaw class for Warzone. You can also use it in multiplayer, doesn't matter. But yeah, let's get right into it. So, obviously the base weapon is a new Fin LMG, and so just make sure you have the stock chainsaw, and that's pretty much just the main thing that you need. So mono. Factory barrel, and then make sure you guys have tack laser, and then of course the stock, the chainsaw stock, and then the 75 round belt, and that's just, you're gonna be shredding enemies, and then obviously just the normal perks. Actually, I should put on amped here. Yeah, so the C4 to the heartbeat, and yeah, so it's been nice, and I'm out. Peace.
There's a gas mask here. Mark the target.
Rocket into the area. Watch the skies. Displacing.
Making contact.